You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in Portuguese, also used in Brazil. It means essentially bye, and yes, it's essentially the Portuguese spelling of the Italian word ciao, yes, and literally TCH, au, A-U, au, the U is pronounced like an U, ciao is how you pronounce it in Portuguese, or Brazil in Portuguese, ciao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.